Fredrik åkare, vi skålar för de sköna, den lönen når inte jag. Har man inga pengar så kan man ej betala, men det sociala har öppet idag. Har öppet idag, har öppet idag. Skål Fredrik åkare för Fredriks plan, har öppet idag.
So I took some pictures of this earlier, but I promised video, so I figured I would come back and do a video. So this is Stockholm, Sweden. I have been here for a few hours now. Okay, so here are some bridges. And there's like a little shopping area. And this is Riksgatan. I have no idea what that means, but it's like a little island with a bridge that goes to the Royal Palace. It's been really hard to figure out what I'm looking at a lot of the time because everything is in Swedish, and my translator's not working because there's no Wi-Fi anywhere in the city. So I have no idea what anything means. But this is beautiful. Huge. And you can see it just is so big. Okay, you're probably dizzy now, but I'm just going to bring you over to the other side so that you can see the Royal Palace. I really hope that this has a microphone on it. I'm not covering the microphone. I actually have no idea. Oh, I was just moving the thing all around. Okay, and people think I'm crazy. They think I'm talking to myself. Okay, so here's the other side of the Riksgatan. And there is the Royal Palace. You can see. It's quite large. And there it is, the Royal Palace. And this is all Old Town over that way. Yeah. Here, I'll just bring you up the steps. Might as well. They call this Venice of the North because there's all this water that goes through it. But so yeah, there you go.